Today we have Public of Gamers laptop, and it's i7 here, and I'm just getting it back. The customer is taking it apart, but has some trouble putting it back together. I believe that they replaced the battery. Getting these cables back is a little bit tricky sometimes. You have to flip up these little tabs where the wires go. So let me see here. See what we can do. So, got that in. Gotta flip up that black tab. Then we have this guy. This guy looks like it's missing the little tab. To hold it. I may have to take it from out of the laptop. And then the keypad. Guys, as well. The little plastic tab is broken. Let me see here. Let me see if it needs to charge. So normally on laptops you can take the battery out here, but in this case you can't. You had to remove the keyboard to get at the battery, but some of those connectors are broken, so now we have to fix it. I'm going to see if it receives a charge, but the light there is flashing. So this is the battery in here, and then this is the battery connector. Let's make sure everything's installed okay. Okay, so it is charging. I'm taking about 1 amp at 19.5 volts and the charging light's on. So that's a good sign that it's charging. Now, the question is about these tabs. This is the keyboard, but this is the power connector, and it usually has a little black tab. Now the trick is to get this back. I think that we had to kind of put it in and twist. Okay, so I think I got that in. Then you flip it up. Like that. We have to stick it in and then we'll put it down. So let me get this keypad in here. And then we will just slip it in. Like so. Push that down. That seems to be okay. Let's turn it on here. Plug it in. Okay, it's charging. Turn on. So let's turn it on. That's good. I'm just gonna see if the keypad is working and all that. Okay, the mouse seems to be working. That's good. Keyboard seems to be fine. Okay, we'll shut it down.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped out. If you enjoy electronics or want to learn about how to fix electronics, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.